So in this video I'm going to be making some catfish stew. Look at this fresh catfish. Woo! The slime has already been washed off, but like you can still see particles from the chopping board, and that's what I'm going to be washing off before we get into this. Now look at these. Look at how succulent, how juicy they look. I love when my vegetables are fresh and clean. Anyway, so after preparing my tomato and pepper into paste, I went ahead to fry them with some oil and some ingredients, some spices and stuff. And I'm just putting in the last ingredient, which is salt, before I put in my fish. Okay, so I like to add all my ingredients before I put in the fish and stir it, so I don't have to stir it when the fish is cooking, because then you can end up scattering the fish. Okay, catfish is really tender when you're cooking it, so that's what I'm doing, stirring my pot before I add my fish. And you have to make sure you have enough water to cook the fish before you add the fish, because you don't want to go in with more water after you've put in your fish. Then you have to stir it again, and then it is going to scatter. Okay, so make sure you have all your ingredients down and make sure the taste is right before you put in your fish. Alright, so I'm just going to put in all my fish and let that cook until the fish is done. Okay, my tomato and pepper is already properly cooked, so I don't have to worry about the taste of that. I just have to worry about the fish getting properly cooked, and that's about it. You also want to make sure that your fish is properly saturated with the goodness of the stew, so that you get like a warm taste. Like make sure everything is soaked in before you cover your pot and just let it cook. And I like to cook my catfish on medium heat because I want it to cook properly, but I also want it to be tasteful when it's done. Then I'm going to go ahead and boil my rice. As you can see over there, the stew is about done, about cooked. Okay, now it's on really low heat and it's just simmering, and I'm boiling my rice, getting ready to devour this delicious meal. I don't know what you guys do when you're cooking, but since it was a Sunday, I was streaming the service online. I worship the Salvation Ministries, and I like to stream the service when I cannot go to church. So that's what I do when I'm cooking on Sundays. Okay. Alright, so we're all done. The stew is ready, the rice is ready. Can you see how good that looks? Just look at that steam. I'm going to give you guys another peek of this stew. Just look at that. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See ya.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl.